This is my other design space here. These are for my 3 little small printers that I use. I save my settings because they're already set. And I actually get high quality 3D printing out of my 3D prints. And that's what I'm looking for. So here is the, let me get that mouse over there. So here is the actual settings. There are a lot of them. There's travel, there's material, temperature, there's speed, walls, infill, quality, which is your layer height, and that's where you get your lines on your layers. So everybody prints at a 0.2 millimeter, which I really don't like, and that's what I started out with actually, but then I was seeing my layer lines. Me, I'm very picky on everything I make, and that's just not my 3D printing, it's my crocheting, and it's my epoxy and all that. So this is where I'm at. I'm at a 0.12 millimeter, and an initial layer height is 0.2. And then the line width is actually your size of your nozzle. So my nozzle is a 0.4 millimeter, so that's why my line width is at 0.4. You cannot change that unless you change out your nozzle size. And they got different ones that you can use, but it suits me with this one here, and I'm comfortable with that. And I get actually really fine lines on my layers that you cannot see. Here I scaled it down to 45% because I'm doing my minis. And everybody's doing minis right now. They're all over the web, of course, shows, events, stores. But they're called micro minis, and they're really small. Too small for me. So actually mine are minis. They're a lot smaller than my actual prints. This way every kid or adult or whoever, enjoys it. So here you are, and this is how it begins. You guys all have a great day. Thank you so much for following me, because now my page is actually authorized to receive stars, and stars are a gift from you to me on my videos, my posts, and my likes and all that. And you can send me a star, and eventually you can make money with Facebook. So here you are. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.